Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. To find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you, we would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.